In this guide, we're going over how you can farm gems fast here in Sailor Peace in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you can boost your setup by using the Yamato clan for a gem bonus, and you can also equip gem boosting titles and increase your ascension level. The more boost that you have makes every method a lot better. Obviously, if you don't have any boost, that's okay. It's just going to be slightly slower. But the best method in the entire game is going to be chest farming. You could go to a bunch of different islands for this. For example, you could go to Shinjuku Island, which I'm actually currently on right now, or you could go to Hollow, depending on your level. And essentially what you need to do is go over to any of the NPCs in this area. For example, this one over here. Interact with the NPC and you could turn like auto repeat on as well, so just keep that in mind. But essentially just go ahead and make your way over to whatever NPC you're supposed to take out and then just auto do the moves and then go back over, interact with that same like NPC again and go back over and take out these enemies. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is just keep farming the chest. Now, for faster clears, you can reset your stats into power and use strong AoE skills to wipe enemies quicker, but this is a pretty good method standalone as well. Now, the second method is going to be rune dungeons, so you could go ahead and make your way over to any of the teleporters in the map, interact with it, and go to Dungeon Island and specifically run the, dungeon for the runes. So make your way here. Obviously, you are going to have to do the dungeon quest first, so just keep that in mind. But interact with the guy, do the rune dungeon, and set the difficulty to extreme so that you can push as far as you can. Later waves give you a lot of gems per kill, so just keep that in mind. And then the third method is AFK farming. If you just use a strong build with auto skills and stay in an area where you can safely farm enemies, you'll be good to go. As long as you stack boost, farm efficiently, your gems will build up pretty quickly. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.